Hello and welcome to this tutorial that will show you how to use the audio software program called Audacity. The first thing you'll need to do is to download the program. If you are unsure of how to do that, I will leave the details in the description of this video so you can follow along there. The first thing you'll need to do once you've finished downloading the program is to open up the program. And once it's opened, you should see a screen that kind of resembles this. And we've got loads of different options at the top here, and we've got all of these buttons here, and like MME, and like audio stuff, like this is like a microphone, and then you've got like stereo, and then speakers, and then you've got like this like meter bar at the top here, measures like distance. So the very first thing you're going to want to do is to click on this red button and it will record your voice. So let's just do that now. Hello, this is, what's my name? Random Idiot. I'm just recording some footage example for you all. Just like a demonstration. And then you just press the square to stop. Okay, so as you can see, this is the entire recording like the entire recording. So we can play it back by pressing this play button here. Hello, this is what's my name? Random Idiot. I'm just recording some footage example for you all. Just like a demonstration. And then you just press the square to stop. Okay, so it's a very nice program, this Audacity, because it lets you record your voice. And when you're happy with that, you can just press File, File then Export, and then just export it. But there's also other things that this program can do before you export. So we can, like there's buttons at the top here, so you can press like the envelope tool. So if we press that, okay, don't know what's, alright, let's press play, see what, okay, so the envelope tool like mutes the audio. Oh dear. Okay, I think it's back to normal. Hello, this is... Yeah, okay. So that's back to normal now. So the envelope tool is just if you want to mute it, I guess. Then we've got this draw tool. So I guess there's a little paint feature in here, so let's try and draw something. To draw, zoom in further and... Okay, so I don't think the draw feature works, so we'll move straight onto this. Zoom, you can zoom. Let's try and zoom in. Okay, so the zoom feature definitely works. That's pretty cool. How do we zoom back out? How do we de-zoom? Oh, I see. So if you left click on your mouse, you can zoom in. If you right click on your mouse, you can zoom out. So that's something we've just discovered now. This next button, time shift tool, I'm excited to see what this does. Oh, time shift seems to just moves everything across. Don't know why you need to use that feature, to be honest, but it's there if you need it. Here we've got an asterisk. It's a multi-tool. Okay, so I think it lets you do everything at once. Okay, so if you're really advanced with Audacity, like myself, then you can just do everything, all together, just with the click of one button. Okay, here we've got a recording level. So start monitoring. Okay. Stop monitoring. So that records, like it monitors your voice So if you ever get lonely, you just click the monitor and then there'll be someone at the other end to listen to what you're saying. Here, if you press cut, okay, I don't know what cut does, to be honest. Another feature we haven't really figured out yet, but maybe if you know in the comments, you could let everyone know. What's this? Copy. Select the audio. Okay, so you have to click on the audio if you want to copy something. Okay, let's try and copy. We've highlighted this, so let's try and copy. Copy. Okay, copy doesn't work, so... Or maybe we have to copy and paste, so let's try and paste. 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 Okay, it does work, I take that back. So it's just copied this part of the audio, so let's try and play that back to see if that worked. Just like a demonstration. Yeah, so as you can see, we've discovered how to copy and paste. So that's it, very exciting. And if you don't want it, you can just highlight it again, and then, or maybe if you press delete on your keyboard. Yeah, if you press delete on your keyboard, it deletes what you've just copied. So that's quite useful. So you can copy anything along this timeline and then delete it again, or copy it and like paste it. Here we've got undo. So if you don't like anything that you've just done, then you can undo it. This is like zoom in, zoom out. Also there's, yeah, you can zoom in and zoom out and click on this button as well and it'll zoom in as well. And then fit selection to width. Select the audio. So there's a lot of selecting the audio. So, okay, let's select that and then fit the audio to width. No idea what that's done. Fit project to width. Let's try and do that. Again, a lot of these buttons, they're all very similar, to be honest. So zoom toggle shift, zoom toggle. Okay, let's press undo because we don't know what's just happened. Okay, so the undo button doesn't work anymore. Okay, and I think we've just lost the recording. So that's pretty much the tutorial of Audacity. What I'd recommend is once you've done your recording, don't mess about with all of these buttons at the top here. Just simply file and export. Just export it straight away, then you won't lose it like I've just done. So it's a very good program, but just don't meddle. I've learned that the hard way just now because I think I've lost my recording. So that's a bit unfortunate. But there we go. So I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. If you would like another advanced tutorial on Audacity, then maybe I could do that on another video. Or if there's any other kind of video you want me to do, then please let me know in the comments. So take care, and I will see you on the next video.